身体的灵性，才是真正的你自己。
While you are alive, your soul dwells within your body. As soon as the soul leaves your body, you are dead. Your soul is from God, but your physical body is from your parents. You already had the Tao within you yet did not realize it. Therefore, you have had to search for it and had now been fortunate enough to find a teacher who was able to transmit it to you. Previously you believed that the physical body was your true self and behaved accordingly. You were selfish, committing misdeeds, acts of violence, and overindulging in physical pleasures. This condition repeatedly led you into a reincarnation and endless sufferings. Now you understand that your true self is not your physical body but only use the body as a vehicle. You are not limited to this physical body. You are boundless. You are the master of the universe because you have God's essence within you. You are full of mercy and love because you share of God's spirit. Most people today have forgotten all these spiritual characteristics and do not know who they really are. Today you are regaining your conscience, your true self.
每个人活时，灵性在他体内，若灵性已离开，他立刻就死亡。灵性附于天，而肉体由父母而来。因此，事实上我们已有道在身上，为何还要再寻求它？还要有点传师来传授？原因是我们已不认识它了。我们以为肉体真我，而不知它原是假。因此我们变得自私，做了许多错事与罪恶。为了使此色身享受如此，使我们坠入轮回中，遭受无边痛苦。我们不知真正的我乃是灵性，而我们已不是仅限于此肉身。我们是无限的广大。我们是宇宙之主宰，因我们的灵性与老是一体，我们的本性充满了慈悲与爱心，因我们是老之分灵。然而现在人们都失去了这些品性。
Basement and kitchen, dining room. 5 Sage Temple is constructing. Consecrate 5 great bodhisattvas. Completed and started using at 2009 AD. To develop boundary truth matter, foreign temples. Photos of campaigns of Tao Society. To visit and link friendship. Celebration activities. Important website. To look ahead. Tao Society in brief. The scenery of Villa is similar to the fairyland of the world. Famous product, the product is named Poloomi. Characteristic, reflection. Yuho Holy Temple is legal to apply for building to make. The building is very magnificent. The building's appearance is Chinese traditional palace type. It was designed by Tao members, was sincere, concentric to establish. TSZ Shin Pavilion, Mate Raya Garden. Were constructed by the donation of Philippine Dao members.